That's better. Okay guys, let's talk about one of the most important parts of long-haul flying on the Boeing 787, the critical data procedure. Now this isn't just a fancy checklist, this is the process that makes sure that every single number that affects your takeoff performance is absolutely spot on. When we say critical data, we're talking about the numbers that determine whether your aircraft will safely get airborne. Things like runway condition, thrust setting, flap configuration, temperature and more. If any of that is wrong, the whole takeoff performance could be compromised, so accuracy and cross-checking are everything. On the 787, we use the Electronic Flight Bag Onboard Performance Tool, or OPT, to run those calculations. Each pilot will check the other pilot's inputs on the OPT using what's called the transfer function. This allows each pilot to see what the other pilot has inputted. Both pilots verify each entry together, runway, weather, thrust, flaps, before a single number gets sent to the flight management computer. Once fueling is complete, we'll input the final figures like zero fuel weight and centre of gravity, and the OPT generates the full takeoff performance package. Then we send the output to the flight management computer, or FMC, and double check that everything uplinks correctly to the takeoff reference pages. This cross-checking between the EFB, FMC and load sheet ensures that what we've planned is what we're actually going to fly. It's all about discipline. The critical data procedure should happen at a time when there are no distractions and full attention from both pilots. But this can be tricky as the departure is a busy time and interruptions from flight dispatchers, cabin crew, engineers and even passengers can sometimes happen. But it's up to us, the pilots, to manage these distractions and ensure that the critical data procedure is completed carefully and methodically. Because in the 787, even with all the automation, safety still comes down to two people checking each other's work, line by line, number by number. So the next time you see a Dreamliner take off, remember, behind that smooth climb out are hundreds of inputs that we checked, verified and agreed before a single engine spooled up. That's what professional flying looks like. Want to learn more about real airline operations or how to achieve your dream pilot job? Keep following us for more content.